Question 8. 6 times x equal 6x. 6x equal 30. 6 هتروح بالdivided. x equal 30 over 6 equals 5. To solve the inequality we have to distribute ال 2 على البراكت كله، يبقى 11x minus 3 greater than or equal 4x plus 18. هيبقى 11x minus 4x greater than or equal 18 plus 3. 11x minus 4x equal 7x. 18 plus 3 is greater than or equal 21. ال 7 هتروح بالdivided. x greater than or equal 3 as a final answer. x greater than or equal 3. Thank you.